Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Delta Lake locally for ACID data lakes, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Delta Lake locally, start by ensuring you have Java installed on your machine. Delta Lake requires Java version 8 or higher. You can download the latest version of Java from the official Oracle website. Once installed, confirm your Java installation by opening your command line interface and typing Java version. Next, you'll need to install Apache Spark if you haven't done so already. Visit the Apache Spark website to download the latest stable version. Choose a pre-built package for Hadoop, as this will simplify your installation. After downloading, unzip the package to a directory of your choice. Now, add Spark to your system's path variable for easier access. Open your command line and type echo%path% on Windows or echo$path on macOS/Linux to check your current path settings. To add Spark to your path, follow your operating system's appropriate instructions to modify the path variable. Next, download the Delta Lake library. You can find the latest Delta Lake release on its GitHub repository. Once downloaded, extract the files into a directory. Navigate to your Spark directory and locate the jars folder. Copy the Delta Lake jar files into the jars folder. Now, start a new Spark session. If you're using the command line, type Spark shell. This will open the Spark interactive shell. To ensure Delta Lake is correctly installed, you need to import it. Within the Spark shell, use the command import io.delta.tables_. If there are no errors, your installation was successful. Next, let's create a sample data lake. Use Spark to create a data frame with some sample data. This can be done using the spark.createDataFrame method. After your data frame is created, write it into a Delta Lake table. Utilize the command dataframe.write.format delta.save, replace /path/ to /delta table with your desired storage location. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.